Hi there, this is Chandan Maruthi and this is my submission for the 2015 HTM challenge. For this submission, I've created a knowledge graph. The knowledge graph is driven by HTMs and powers intelligent bots that you will see shortly. Say hi to Hollybot. He knows a thing or two about movies and is always happy to help. He works in Slack, which is a popular messaging platform, and he also works with your mobile phone so that he can be with you all the time. Hollybot uses HTMs to create and store a knowledge graph from which he draws his smarts. Let's see how it works. There's a client layer, which is a Slack bot client. This layer works with the user to accept incoming information, process the information, get a response, and provide the response back to the user. The second layer is an AI layer, which is driven by HTMs, and here we have a NewPick server and a NewPick client, which have a corpus of information processed, and when a request comes, they're able to use that information in the HTM and process it and provide a series of predictions in the form of a knowledge graph. You have a workflow layer which can be used to define complex workflows, and then you have an API layer which integrates with different systems. The data used here is movie information from the open movie database. So there's a large corpus of information available. For this case, we have trained it with a smaller set of data. Now let's see Hollybot in action. What you see here is Slack. Slack is a popular messaging platform, and you see Hollybot exists within Slack as a bot. Like any bot, you can interact with Hollybot. Let's say help, and Hollybot comes back to you with some information about how you could interact with Hollybot. But what makes Hollybot really interesting is about the smarts it has about movies. So let's try that out. I'm going to use a keyword called Hollybot. Word allows Hollybot to respond to only those messages that are meant for it, so it doesn't have to respond to every message in this channel. I'll say Hollybot, and let me ask for information about Toy Story. Hollybot is taking this information, processing it through the NewPick server, and providing a series of predictions in the form of a knowledge graph. And you see right here the top information, which is the title of the movie, the year, the runtime, genre, etc. This is coming from an API powered by IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes. The knowledge graph below is driven purely by HTMs. So let's see what it brought. So it's saying, okay, I found Toy Story, and it's saying that yes, this is a movie. It is similar to Jumanji. It is an animation movie, and a few other things. Along with the relevant information, you also see there's a lot of other information that it is also related to. So the next part of our phase of this project is to be able to take all of these predictions and to say which of these are more relevant than others. But this is our first attempt at creating a knowledge graph through this